Welcome to Imperial Measurements Volume. Whenever we need to measure the volume of something, we use standard units. You might be familiar with litres and milliliters, but did you know that before we used those standard units, different units of volume were used in the UK? These were known as imperial units. Some of these units still remain in common use, such as the pint. So let's look at some of those imperial units. Here is a picture of a label from a milk carton. Can you tell what is unusual about it? Let's take a closer look. Here is the part of the label that shows us the volume of milk in the carton. What do you think is unusual about it? The volume of milk is a nice round number, 4 pints. This is approximately 2.272 litres. So why is milk sold in pints? Legally, the metric system has been adopted by the UK, so goods have to be sold in metric units. However, many people over the years have got used to buying milk by the pint. So manufacturers put both metric and imperial measurements on the labels of milk cartons. You may also see glass milk bottles. These have the capacity of 1 pint. There are special laws allowing milk to be sold in glass bottles by the pint. Beer and cider may also be sold by the 1/3 pint, 2/3 pint, half pint or pint in UK public houses. The pint unit can be abbreviated to PT. Let's have a look at other imperial units of volume. A pint, PT, can be divided into smaller units called fluid ounces. There are 20 fluid ounces in 1 pint. The abbreviation for fluid ounce is FLOZ. Another imperial unit of volume is the gallon. Petrol and diesel used to be sold in gallons in the UK, but now has to be sold in litres. The abbreviation for gallon is GAL. There are 8 pints in 1 gallon. So 20 fluid ounces is equal to 1 pint. 8 pints is equal to 1 gallon. So 160 fluid ounces is also equal to 1 gallon. You are probably familiar with milliliters and litres, so let's look at how these convert approximately to imperial measurements. 1 milliliter is equal to 0.035195 fluid ounces. 1 litre is equal to 35.195 fluid ounces. 1 litre is also equal to 1.75975 pints. We can also approximately convert imperial units of volume to metric. 1 fluid ounce is equal to 28.413 milliliters. 1 pint is equal to 568.261 milliliters. 1 gallon is equal to 4.54609 litres. In summary, we have discovered more about fluid ounces, pints and gallons. We have seen the relationship between each of these and metric units of volume. We know that these standard units have been around for many years, and we still continue to use them today. Why don't you see how many more imperial measurements you can still find in use today?